Hey guys, it's Jordy Bills back with another video. Today we're going to be doing the plastic cut on my SX500 plastics. So this is obviously what it looks like right now, and then I'm going to throw up a picture right now on what it's going to look like after. So let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so the main point of this is to pretty much make the plastics look a lot sleeker. So cut off this big flap here. So what I'm going to do is take a piece of tape and continue this line here forward all the way down. But the main thing you want to watch out for is to not cut off this bolt hole, because this is where the plastics mount to your frame. So let's get a piece of tape on here, line it up, and see what it looks like. So you can see I got my piece of tape lined up right here. We're below that bolt hole I told you guys about. We're going to be using my Milwaukee cutoff wheel to cut it. Don't forget your gloves and your safety glasses or your face shield. In this case, I'm using a face shield. So let's get it cut out. Just like that, guys, we got it cut. All right, we're gonna have to clean up the edge a little bit, but you can see this is stock. This is how it comes stock. And this is how it looks now. You can see it comes with a lot more sleeker design, and it goes along with it really well. So we're gonna clean it up with a little 2-inch sander, and then we'll see what it looks like after that. Just like that, we got it cut, we got it cleaned up. Last thing I'm gonna do is take a little piece of sandpaper and kind of just go along the edge just to clean up the little bit of roughness that's still there. But a piece of 300 grit sandpaper will take that edge right off and it'll make it smooth just like factory. So now we're gonna go ahead and get the other side cut. All right guys, just like that, we got it cut. Nice sleek line. Let's see what it looks like without the tape on. Take that burr off. Another nice, super sleek cut. I really like that. I'm really happy with how these turned out. You can see we got both pieces cut off. In the next video, we will be putting the plastics on and going over the motor and controller setup I'm going to run with, as well as do the color reveal. I already got the bike sandblasted and painted, so I'm super excited for that. Also, we're going to be doing a new seat cover and maybe even painting the plastics. So if you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys, and we'll see you guys next time.